Hanımlar ve mırzalar, естеріңізге сала кетейік. Турнирдің титулдық серіктесі Олимпет компаниясы. Олимпет Қазақстанның ең үздік букмекері. Басты серіктес Gorilla Energy. Gorilla Energy – сила для твоего главного боя. Сонымен, біз Batyrball шоу матчындағы 3-ші орынға талас. Ендеше қос команданы ортаға шақырайық. Алаңның көк бұрышында Север Юг командасы.
Here we are welcoming teams that are playing for third place.
Yeah.
Team
This is the team North South.
Saber Yug, I guess motivation team, the motivator team.
Yeah. Why the name of the team is North South? Because Artyom Reznikov is a top ACA fighter of absolute champion of Ahmad, the Russian League, MMA Russian League. His favorite joke is North-South joke.
Okay.
That's why it's North-South.
Okay. A little bit about the captain of Motivator team.
The captain of Batyrball team is the former Nigeria FC champion. He just retired from the MMA, but he has some curious life because he spent 8 years of his life in prison, and then after he came back, he began again with the professional sport. He returned back to MMA. Then fight after fight, he got the title chance and he used it for 100%. He became the Nigeria FC champion of the lightweight.
Just to show that he's a lifelong athlete.
Yeah, but also the Vasily Tahta is also a very good athlete. He is unbeaten in the MMA, but also young guy. Last fight he won a Brave Combat Federation promotion, and the other two guys have the wrestling base, solid wrestling base.
So who do we think has the advantage in third place?
I think the both teams are even to each other because from the results, the motivated team has the best results because now we have the third competition in the Batyrball, and the motivated team took in the first competition the first place and the second place, and now the third competition logically it could be maybe third place, but let's see.
Experience.
Very experienced, very well played with each other. They know perfectly how to play with each other and so on.
Yeah, team chemistry. Team chemistry. They likely know how to play together.
Yeah, the team.
And here we are.
Yeah, the
Third place game.
the Saber Youth.
Mixture of various sports in this.
Yeah, we see many clashes, many wrestling matches during the game. The most important thing is not only to play basketball, to shoot precise to the target, but also to have solid wrestling base.
As we saw, the street basketball team was eliminated in the first round. So
Yeah, exactly.
Just shooting is not going to help you in this.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's interesting to see how this sport will develop. It's a good promotional tool. It's a good promotional tool for Niza.
I think it's good promotion that this is the first, second one we now see in the world of MMA. I think worldwide something like it's not crisis, but we have a bit of like stable phase. Yeah, it's a bit the people have too much from MMA, I think. So now all the promotions have to consider about other things which could attract the attention of the viewers or the fans. And Batyrball, for me personally, is a perfect example of such promotion and of such entertainment for the people. Yeah.
Here we are. Have yet to score a point.
Yeah.
No, we do have a point here.
Well, motivated team should I think 1 point. Now we had a scramble, and if you have scramble, so the another team have to be gap. The Artem Reznik of the MMA fighter now couldn't shoot well.
Yeah, we need to keep track of air balls. We need to keep track of airball statistics in the sport. I think you'll play a part of the story.
Yeah,
Just for entertainment purpose.
exactly. And now
That was a close shot.
yeah, but missed the target. Yeah,
Yeah, but this game matters.
yeah.
The winning team is in the runnings to make some money here.
Yeah, the winning team will get $2,000 for the short place. I think it's not bad. The team which would win the competition would get 14,000. 1-4.
Nice. That was a good shot.
And the second team will get 4,000.
Interesting. There's you've got to protect the guy with the ball,
Yeah.
but it's not easy when it's 3-on-1. Interesting pass here.
Exactly, yeah.
There he goes. End of the first round.
The first half is over now.
Yeah, we'll take a 1-minute break.
Yeah, there's a short break between first and second half.
Is that a foul? Holding his hand?
Yeah, because the other player just wanted to get ball. Yeah, so the second one was just keeping him from this. Yeah.
It seems like there is no rules for the for the people that are not used to watching the sport. It seems like there are no rules, but the game does have rules.
The game has rules, but the whole game is just in the beginning phase.
Exactly.
So in the beginning, it's always like some difficulties, some uncertain moments, and so on. Yeah.
That was a nice play.
I think
And you called it.
it's Jerome.
You called it team motivator with the slight advantage so far. You know, team chemistry, experience. But as mentioned, a close game.
But the both are very experienced teams.
Now here's some wrestling.
Yeah.
Where's the teammates? There they are. Yeah, I imagine you get tired here. Example of getting tired.
Yeah.
Was that a pass?
I think he was. That's Mr. Target. Yeah.
That's what makes the game fun.
Maybe he was just waiting until his teammate will then get the ball.
You can definitely tell it's a physically demanding game. You can see guys with their getting a bit winded here.
Exactly, yeah.
And you can see a scuffle. All right. It's a physical sport.
Yeah.
It can happen, and respect shown.
Yeah.
That's good to see. That's good to see. I think that was more for show. I think that was more for show. It was strategic. Yeah, last seconds of the game, the motivated team has to make it happen. Oh,
This was good. Yeah.
nail biter. Here we are.
It's only 5 seconds left now in the game. I think it could be very tough.
A point difference. They just might send it overtime. No,
No, yeah.
the game ends. Severyuk seems to have taken third place in a close game, very close game. Fun game. Respect shown. See some athletic abilities here. The guy's showing off. Here we are for the third place ceremony.
The respect showing to each other.
A little disappointed.
Son bir ise 4-5 şemsiye şemsiye alanın konkursa Severyuk komandası.
There we go. Yeah, congratulations to Severyuk. So as the game develops currently in its this is the third tournament.
This is the third tournament in only, I think, 4 months. Only
4 months.
Or even 3 months, yeah.
But the format, the tournament format,
The tournament format is always
it fits pretty well.
it's like the top eight teams. They're playing by Olympic system. Yeah.
It makes it interesting because in the previous round, we had teams that were made up of street basketball players. We had teams that were American football players. We had a mixture of boxers and wrestlers. Many different challenges here for the guys. Some bounce the ball, some run with it. This was a nice play. I'm getting into it more and more. Sounds good.
Sonraki katlarımızda bizde Batyrball 3. şov maçının finala yenişe alanın korpusunda Kazak'ın Karabalası komandası.
Here we are introducing one of the finalists, Kazakhstan Karabalası.
Kazakh flag guys. The translation.
In the translation. Black uniform with a red, yellow trim.
This guy is veteran wrestling world champion. And the second one behind him is a two-time silver medalist of the Olympic Games boxing. The Olympic Games in London and in Rio. Agribek Niazembetov. He was losing against great Cuban boxer Julio La Cruz.
Yeah, we appreciate your insight, your knowledge here as we speak on the team members of these Batyrball teams. Very diverse sport. To see so many different athletes share the octagon as they try to score basketball. A unique sport in a lot of ways.
And the second place is from, it represents the city of Karaganda. It's in the north of Kazakhstan. And the captain is my close friend, Serik Sabir, the Olympic champion in boxing, in the World Parker Cup winner in London 2012. World champion, Asian champion, Asian Games champion, the most decorated amateur boxer in Kazakhstan.
Hence why the team is the team of Academy of Sports.
Yeah. The second guy is also the Andrei Samokin, the veterans wrestling world champion. The third guy is also Anatoly Gusakovsky, the solid wrestling pace.
Sovyet kamera kayıtlarından orada aşağısa. Kamera kayıtlarından orada.
The Serik with Adlebek was in the same Olympic team in London. Boxing.
Paper, rock, scissors to decide who gets the ball.
It's also funny, yeah? Isn't it? Yeah?
So Academy of Sports, a mixture of boxers, wrestlers.
But I think in the both teams, there's only one boxer, but well-decorated boxer, yeah? At least Olympic medal winner, yeah?
And the airball shots that shows that there's no basketball players on the team. Nice. I see that there is a strategy. You have to protect your shooter.
Yeah.
Otherwise, otherwise he will not get the shot up.
You have to play passes, yeah? You have to play combination.
You got to move the ball.
Yeah.
Just like in basketball, you do have to move the ball.
Exactly, yeah. You don't have to take ball the whole time, yeah? Or to hold ball, yeah?
So
The whole time.
that's when you invite trouble. That's when this happens.
Yeah, this was good supple, yeah?
When you hold the ball. That was a suplex.
Suplex, yeah.
Round one still scoreless, but not wrestling. And here we are. We'll see the champion here. Any history? Any have any of these teams won the Batyrball championship before?
Yeah, the Kazakh Karabalası is playing also the third tournament, and they played well. It's always tough. They're the first time in the final, but they're adjusting from the game to the game. Yeah, and the second team is also playing well. They played before, but now with the getting experience, yeah, with adjusting experience, they also came to the final now. Yeah?
So it'll be the first championship for either of these teams.
The first final, yeah, and the first championship also, yeah. Now, both boxers are playing against each other.
A lot of wrestling, a lot of wrestling.
Exactly, yeah. Even from the boxers, yeah.
It's a wrestling battle, and the winner may score a basket, which is the ultimate point of the game here, is to score baskets. That's how you're...
It was the finest things now to get the ball.
So the line here that is drawn, oh, that was a brutal...
You have to take out of the line the ball to start your attack. Otherwise,
Street basketball rules.
Exactly, yeah.
You've got to take it out behind the line to reset. Speak on the rules a bit more here as we watch the last seconds of the first half. It's a two-pointer behind the line, and it's a one-pointer within the line.
Exactly, yeah. But now,
it doesn't matter if it's a layup or a dunk or a shot. It's a one-pointer.
The first half is even now, and no one team scored any points. Yeah.
Shots taken, but nobody has scored. But here's a shot at the buzzer. Seems like the first point will win the game. It could be, right?
But we have the second half.
That was a nice throw. As the host announcer just mentioned, after this match, it will be the final of the fighting championship.
Yeah.
Would you like to speak a little bit about it?
Yeah, it is the contender bout in the bantamweight. So between two tough guys. The first one is Dastan Mangelde, who is amateur world and Asian championship medal winner. And the second one is Sultan Zoldozbek, the Kyrgyz guy who is starting for Kazakhstan. It's a guy with unlimited condition. He can fight all the 5 rounds with one tempo. So, and it would be the tough match in my eyes. Look, we see now the scramble between two guys.
So this is another way to get on a point here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And here we do have a point.
Yeah.
Already on the board. That's what Batyrball said. So earning this point here, pure wrestling rules, you'd have to put one on his back in order to get a point on the board.
Exactly. Yeah.
Equivalent to scoring a basket.
No one scored a point.
But even that, there's a time limit.
Yeah.
Look at that. The ball hits the edge of the octagon, or the ring, I should say, and bounces right back into play. Nice. Almost got there.
Передача сейчас от огонь на большой скорости была у команды Академия спорта.
And one would think that injuries would likely happen every game, but so far in 3 tournaments, the very limited amount of injuries.
This was the point, yeah, because everybody. Oh, now
The first basket
of
the final.
No, the second basket. Yeah,
Second.
1-1. Yeah. This was the point. Everybody was talking about injuries because the game is very tough, very tight.
Very physical.
Yeah, very physical and with plenty of wrestling moves. But we don't see many injuries now. At least that we could recognize it. Yeah, maybe they can do it then in the restroom. But as far as we see, we don't have any heavy injury or something like that. Yeah?
Well, it's a lot of movement in the game. The guys are warmed up. They've stretched. The intensity is here, so you're bracing for contact. So it only makes sense that you're ready for the physical element of the game, which would prevent a level of injuries. Here we have trying to get the ball here.
Yeah.
Next point will win the championship. Very close game here in between the finalists. Ah, look at him pulling his leg. What a shot.
This was nice.
What a shot. Look at this replay. 2-point advantage.
For the Academy of Sport.
Ah, this will get intense here. Oh, look at that. Eye for an eye, as they say.
This game is tough, huh?
Yeah, nothing is given in this game.
Exactly.
You got to fight for every point.
Every team, each team is fighting to say.
Выводится мяч зеленой команды. Снова передача, снова бросок, пока мимо.
That was a soccer trip. That was a stiff arm, a football stiff arm. There's some wrestling. That was a basketball steal. Maybe a dunk. Oh, that was a layup. Foot on the cage.
Exactly.
Академия спорта. 4-15.
In dying seconds to win the game.
Only 3 seconds now, yeah.
Down 2 points with a minute left, and here they're up by 1.
No, 1 second left.
And here we are. First-time champions. Academy of Sports.
Academy of Sports won the competition. Yeah. It's the winner of today's competition.
You can see the scratches on the back of one of the team members of Academy of Sports. The celebration here. First place. Very tough game. A comeback. A comeback. Interesting, right? First half 0-0. Second half 4-3. Congratulations again. And the prize money will be distributed here. We'll watch the ceremony, the celebrations. No losers here. Both teams played in the final. First place wins a bit more. Second place is still rewarded here.
Sovyet bu oyunda eşitliğe 4'e 3 isimli Alem Kızılburç'a Spor Akademiyası.
Make sure to follow the promotion. Nice MMA on social media, Instagram. You will find more information on Batyrball as well. Batyrball will be in Astana March 18th.
Yeah.
March 18th is the next event.
I'm pretty sure that we will see another very exciting competition.
Okay. We're finished.
Okay. Thank you
Sounds
very
good.
much. Yeah.
Yes. I appreciate it. Thank you. We're good. I just take it out? Yes.
So no stop strike.